Welcome to Imagination Station at the Maker Fun Factory VBS. We're created by God and built for a purpose. Today we're going to be doing a fun activity, building a Gutsy robot. The letters in Gutsy stand for God's unique, talented, special you. And we're making this fun craft today because we want to be reminded that God made you. He made each and every one of you so special. So we're going to put some fun things in to remind us about how special we are. And we're going to start with some supplies that we have at home. It can be anything you have on hand. You might want to start with things like cardboard boxes. Great thing to start with is raiding your recycling bin. Maybe bottles, boxes. I have a little tea box. We're going to build a robot here in just a second. You can use solo cups, pasta boxes, note cards, and maybe even have some Legos on hand. This would be great for the little ones or for those who really want to build using their Lego sets. Here's a couple examples that we did. You'll also want some supplies to build your robot and add to your robot. Aluminum foil, paper towel tubes, maybe some pipe cleaners, some beads. I have some foam beads here you can use for buttons or knobs. Sequins, maybe some fun eyes. Paper punch outs, and then to attach all of our things you're going to need some type of glue, either glue dots, which are great for the preschoolers at home and the little ones, some Scotch tape or glue, masking tape, and if you have an adult at home helping you who's great at crafts, you might even have a handy dandy glue gun. Whatever you have on hand is fine. Just remember if you're using the liquid glue that you'll probably have to wait a little bit between each step to let it dry so that it doesn't slide or get knocked off. You'll also want a nice pair of scissors, safety scissors, unless you have an adult helping you. You're going to want to go and collect some supplies if you haven't already collected them around your house. You want to make sure you have a scrap piece or a full sheet of red construction paper, some white paper, any other color of paper you want, or aluminum foil to wrap around your box to create your robot. Your glue and any other art supplies that you might want to make. You'll want some markers or crayons to draw on your white paper because we're going to make like a control panel to put on top of your robot. So if you want to go ahead and pause the video here and go ahead and rummage through your house and hopefully get lucky and find some great supplies, and then meet us back here. Hope you found some great supplies around your home to build your Gutsy robot. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is actually create 3 items that we're going to place inside our robot. And you want to make sure that the size of these items will fit inside the supply box that you found. So if it's a smaller item like a tea box like I used or a macaroni box, you just want to make sure that the 3 items we put in it will fit. So we're going to start with a small piece of paper because this one is going to fit inside my box. And I'm going to draw a cross on it. So you want to take a small white piece of paper and take your marker, and we're going to draw a cross. And this represents the fact that Jesus is with us always. So that's the first thing you want to make. The second thing you want to do is fold your red construction paper, and we're going to create a heart. An easy way to do this is to fold your paper in half. Kind of make the letter C, but then instead of bringing it back around like an ear, you're going to just drop it all the way down. And then you open it up, you got a great heart. We're going to make this second item to remind us that God loves us. This is all about God's love. So we have a cross to remind us that Jesus is with us, and a red heart to remind us of God's love. And the third thing you're going to make is going to take another white piece of paper, cut it to fit so it fits inside your box, and you're going to draw a picture of your family. However your family looks, mom, dad, family, grandparents, pets, whatever you have at home. And you're gonna create a cute little picture, however you wanna make it, and just draw it and then make sure it fits inside your box. So you go ahead and pause the video here and create your 3 things, a cross, a heart, and a picture of your family. And meet me back here. Now that we have our cross, our heart, and our picture, it's time to build our Gutsy robot. We wanna be sure when we build our robot that we leave an opening in the top or in the back so that we can place our 3 special things. So let's get started.
Reason for my life, I'm gonna shout it out without a
welcome back. Did you have fun? We hope you did. I know as a family, we really enjoyed making our robots. Now all we have to do to finish up are take our 3 special things, our cross, our picture of our family, and our heart, and place them into our robot. And now we have a unique, gutsy robot, just like God made you unique and special. We hope you had fun. We would love to see pictures of all the unique robots that you made at home. Please be sure to share them with us. Well, we hope you had a fantastic time in Imagination Station, and we can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!